Yo, what up, world? I ain't doing nothing. Decided to go live, man. I'm out here getting my dogs together, being a butcher for the day, for the morning. It's late nights and early mornings over here at Top South Bullies. I wanted to go live in my little group, you know what I'm saying, blood on my yard, but shit, it wouldn't let me, so I had to go live on my page, and I had to share it in there later, you know what I'm saying? But I'm out here chopping up this meat for the game. They running around getting a little exercise early. Man, this is a job, man. This is a job. Sharpen up my knife. I ain't got nothing to do, so I figure I'll go live. Give y'all a little background of what I got going on and my plans with in this dog game as far as the American Bullies are concerned. Sharpen up my knives a little bit. Yeah, man, but by the way, this is my first time cutting up a heart. This is a motherfucking heart right here. A real deal heart. Cutting this shit up, man, so I can throw it in the meat grinder. But anyway, I guess I'll just give an introduction of, you know what I'm saying, how I got started and where I'm going. I always liked dogs. I never had time, you know what I'm saying, really the bread to get the type of dogs that I really wanted, you know what I'm saying? So, I was in the studio for shit, since 2005 until late 2013, every day, all day. So, when I finally got my little paper right, man, had a little time, I ended up getting me a bully, you know what I'm saying? I got it from my guy, Easy Bluegrass, radio personality up at, he's at Magic right now. He was at B96. Been my friend for a while now, you know what I'm saying? He was into Bulldogs at first and ended up switching over to American Bullies. But he ended up getting a Bistro son from a guy that, one of his good friends, a good guy named Dern. So I got a girl off of, like he just came to holler at me just on some chill stuff one day. Say his boy, I'd already seen his boy, you know what I'm saying? He was nice, you know what I'm saying? Real nice. You say he just had a little, you know what I'm saying? So at the time, you know, I'm sitting back, sipping on my Henny like I always do. I'm like, shit, I went, man, checking him out, you know what I'm saying? He was like, shit, we can go right now. So we end up going over another partner of ours, Seven, Kevin. He had the bitch, you know what I'm saying? Her name's Starla. So, man, like, I just took my guy's word from it. Just took his word and got my girl Griselda. She ended up turning out nice, you know what I'm saying? Like when I bought her, I didn't buy intentions to become a breeder or, you know what I'm saying, do this and that, you know what I'm saying? But as I seen her grow and like she was becoming, you know what I'm saying, the dog that I always liked, you know what I'm saying? I always told myself, man, you know, I always had like pit bulls growing up and this and that, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I like them pit bulls with the big heads, wide, short. Well, this whole time I wasn't liking pit bulls. I was liking American bullies. You know what I'm saying? So I finally figured that out. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, about once she turned about 6, 7 months, she's 15 months, 16 months now. I started, you know what I'm saying, really doing my research, you know what I'm saying? And there's a lot of nice dogs out there, you know what I'm saying? I was like, man, you know I got something special with my girl, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it came, I knew that I was going to want to breed her, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't really know no other people in the city that had the quality of dogs. But I wasn't looking for them, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, so now I was looking for them. I found a few, you know what I'm saying, nice potential studs. I would start looking for studs when she was like 7, 8 months, just to kind of plan out my breeding and figure out what I wanted to do with her, you know what I'm saying? And the direction that I wanted to go. So, I found a few nice studs, you know what I'm saying? Then my guy Easy Bluegrass called me up one day and said that he met a lady named Jennifer, you know what I'm saying? That had a dog that was damn near identical to him, which was a Champagne Tri, his bistro son. So, that's a big ass piece of shit. But anyway, he was like, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, it'd probably be nice if you breed them, you know what I'm saying? So I checked him out. Grand champion, he's a grand champion now. Grand champion AJ out of Odyssey Bullies. Shout out to them. So I checked him out, I liked him, you know what I'm saying? We came up with an agreement to do a breeding. It didn't take, you know what I'm saying? You know, stuff happens. It didn't take the first time around breeding. I was kind of down on that, but you know, what can you do? Move forward. I ended up getting another boy, my boy Boss George. I ended up getting him. Real nice dog, you know what I'm saying? Real nice dog. I'm sure y'all have seen him before. If y'all haven't, check out my page and you can see him on there. And I'm getting my boy. So, you know what I'm saying? The plan was to run him with Griselda. I really liked this dog, you know what I'm saying? Even though I already had a stud locked in with a champion at the time, which, you know, that's still coming. I liked this boy so much that I pushed it back, you know what I'm saying? Ended up getting me 2 other females. Maybe I can show them to y'all real quick or something. I'm trying to, I got a whole dare. Whole dare. I'm out here chopping up since 6 o'clock this morning, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's just a job. I don't have to do this, but man, I like to take the extra steps, man. I don't like to half-ass nothing, man. And shit, I ain't got shit to do. I mean, nothing to do. So shit, I sit out here and cut them up, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all see a couple of my dogs running around for a second, man, and I'm gonna get back to this, man. This shit'll have your hands tired as hell. Try to clean up real quick. Give me a quick second. These motherfuckers out here running wild. Motherfuckers out here running wild. Give y'all a shot of these. The gang out here running around now. What part of? That's an old man. I got shit to chop up. I've been chopping this shit up, and this is the second bucket. Well, anyway, it's my boy Zeus right there. He's not in my breeding program. He's just a dog that's gonna shake something. You know what I'm saying? This is my first girl I was talking about, Griselda, my bistro granddaughter. She should be pregnant now. She's about 15 days into it. For about 35 days, it'll be confirmed. Watch out, boy. That's my girl right there. That's my baby. I got my girl Mocha Red, 2 times Dex, off of Ritz. She's running around here. My girl Molly Moore Bucks. Little try running around right there. 2 times Phenom on the bottom. 2 times Lock and Loaded. Grand Champion Cali, which is a Lock and Load daughter, bred back to Bistro, which we all know is you know what I'm saying, is one of the Lock and Loaded's most popular sons. Today's a kind of exciting day for me. I got to pick up my Lucky Luciano son, you know what I'm saying? Like a great man I once met said, you feel me, straight off the dick, you hear me? Lucky Luciano, so I feel fortunate. Shout out to Greco Kennels. My guy Daniel over there, he do good business. This is my 3rd dog I done got from him. So yeah, man, so I ended up getting me a few dogs, you know what I'm saying? Got a goal in mind, you know what I'm saying? As I like to say, some people got goals, but I got plans. So I'm gonna make it happen, man. So, you know, as of right now, it's just a time thing. I'm just talking though, man. I ain't got nothing to do. Trying to document some stuff, man. I ain't never cut up a big ass heart before, you know what I'm saying? So shit. Now, I'm gonna go on to another piece, man. This one's kind of complicated. I ain't no certified butcher, but I'm gonna get it together though. So I'm gonna come back to this part. There we go. Grab my big ass leg. You feel me? It's starting to rain out here on me a little bit. But shit, man. Sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty. I'm gonna switch knives. I need to get me a better set of knives, man, if I'm gonna be doing all this. But shit, I'm gonna make it work, you hear me? But yeah, man, my plans with this shit, man, I'm real serious with it, man. I don't like to half-ass with nothing I do. You know what I'm saying? As, you know, a few people that follow me can see, you know what I'm saying? I'm sparing no expense, and I'm getting what I really want, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just getting dogs and not really liking them, like, and trying to make it work, you know what I'm saying? I done bought dogs, and spent a nice chunk of money on them, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, they done turned 6, 7, 8 months, man, and there was certain flaws and certain features that developed that I didn't like, man. I had to chalk them up, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't just trying to put together anything. You know what I'm saying? You know, it may seem like a loss, but it wasn't a loss. It was somebody else's game. Because I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I found a nice home and somebody with a nice dog. You know what I'm saying? Shit was nice enough for me to spend my money on it, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, shit. Gonna get this thing going, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? My girl's pregnant. So I have a litter on the way for those that have been waiting. I got a few people that I know are serious and they really waiting on this. I think I forgot to mention, yeah, I end up using my guy Lester Simmons. No relation that I know of, even though we got the same last name, with War Cry American Bully Kennel. He got some nice dogs over there. I ended up using the stud off his yard, this rep, my dude, Little Dude. Well, his name's Little Dude. Real nice dog, you know what I'm saying? So I'm expecting some nice puppies out of here, and that's just the start, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got a Lucky Luciano son I got to pick up in a few hours. We're gonna make that happen. So shit, I guess I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I ain't really got too much more to say. I sit out here in the rain and continue chopping up this meat, you know what I'm saying? You know. Mess around with them for a little bit. They ready, they waiting. So, we'll catch y'all next time. Yeah. Yeah. Chop the motherfucker up, you know what I mean? Oh, man. Let me get off here so I can get my music back going, man. Give me some motivation. And then take me a little break. Like I said, it should work out your hands. Sharpen my knives up again. Got my knife sharpened out here. Get to it, man. You know, sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty and this shit, man. I'm in it to win it, you hear me?